if it's always true. Yeah, then it becomes law. That joke is called Latinos Are Criminals. That's just the title. It doesn't mean anything. Sometimes before I walk on stage, my girlfriend may say, have a good show, break a leg. This is what she said to me a few weeks ago, right before I walked on stage. She goes, hey, you ever worry about getting shot when you're out there? Like, what the hell is wrong with you? She followed it with, you should move around more. You should go back to reading your vampire books. I should move around more? As if a sniper would get frustrated. I can't keep up. He lives. A lot of times people complain that their significant other takes too long to get ready to get out at night. I've never had that complaint. And I think it's because I never want to go anywhere. How long it takes her to get ready. That's just her horrible friends pretending I don't want to kill myself. Yeah. She'll take an hour and a half to get ready. Come down and go, oh my goodness, you were so patient. For what? You look disgusting. Right? Yeah. Now she's crying. I bought myself an extra 2 hours to watch the game. Yeah. It's not like she's going to break up with me. She's 10 years younger. She's